Here we have a 21 plate BMW 320d M Sport Pro Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sports package. We do also have the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the Tanzanite blue metallic exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front splitter and also the gloss black front grills. There's a look at the front end, and then making our way around to the passenger side, you find we have the M Performance kit. We've got the side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top and also the rear spoiler on the tailgate. As you can see, the lip just there. Here's another close look at another alloy wheel. As you can see, again unmarked. Round to the rear, you find we have front and rear parking sensors and a visual display. Got a reversing camera as well. Dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser. If you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will pop open like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space, goes quite far back, storage pockets on the left and also on the right hand side. Close the boot up just like so, and then walk back round to the driver's side. You find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts, ambient lighting on the doors you may have noticed. We also have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers, electric windows on the doors. Again at the front we have the same full leather interior. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are heated. We have the electric mirrors on the doors and electric windows, tri-lock for the rear. Again, you've got the ambient lighting. We also have the automatic lights, the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Now if you just take a seat inside, then you'll find the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, and then the vehicle will start up for us. As you can see on the digital dashboard, we're free from any warning lights, other than letting us know about the low fuel, so nothing to worry about. Now we do have the high beam assist just here on this stalk. Got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Now if any of the screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. This is touchscreen, so press onto home, then it will take us to the main menu. We also have the shortcuts just here, so click onto the media. Then you'll find we have the radio stations. We also have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio. We have the phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we also have all these apps as well that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If you go on to the main menu, go onto car, this is where you find the settings, where you can adjust the ambient lighting. As you can see, we have quite a few colours which you can go through. We have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down, you find we have the heated seats on either side. We also have the ice cold air conditioning and the climate control, all working as they should do, as you can see. We do also have some storage space just inside of here. We have the cup holders, a 12-volt connectivity and also a USB port. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So as you can see, we have the adaptive drive mode, we have Eco Pro, Comfort and also Sport. Changes the look of the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see. I've put the car into reverse. You find the reversing camera, the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, we have the electric handbrake, and we also have the leather armrest in the centre as well. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport Pro Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now at 5 the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. We do have the multifunctional steering wheel, which has the paddle shifters on either side. So if you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We also have got the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us, which can show with different displays depending on what drive mode you're in. You would have seen that on the walk around video and also on the photos. If you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather interior as well throughout the vehicle, very comfortable, can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for these cold winter mornings. We've got the main screen in the centre, full of features. You're going to see them again on the photos. Currently showing the sat-nav. Below there we do have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox with all the different drive modes, and we do also have the ambient lighting as well throughout the vehicle. Looks really nice, especially at night time. Now about to take a right hand turn, so put our right indicator on and start to slow down. Wait for the traffic to pass, and then we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park. And now I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the reversing camera appear on the screen. Put it back into a drive with no issues whatsoever. If this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with going through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.